We are Nate and Allie of Better Together Adventures, and we want to encourage you to get outside and ride. I'm Allie.
I'm Nate.
And we're doing something a little bit different today. As you can see, we're in our car.
Yeah, we got a few errands to run today, but we thought we'd stop and have a little fun on the way to town.
We are on our way to the Trailside Park in Pequot Lakes, Minnesota, headed to the 17th annual Pequot Lakes Cherry Car Show and Craft Fair.
Yeah, so we thought it'd be fun to check out a few local crafts and see some classic cars, which is always fun.
Yeah, we do enjoy our classic car shows, and hopefully we can share a few of those with you. There's quite a lot held during the summertime here in Minnesota. And yeah, weather is beautiful. It's a little cloudy, going to be 74 degrees.
Yeah, it would have been a perfect day to ride, but well, sometimes that just doesn't happen.
Sometimes it doesn't, but it doesn't stop us from having an adventure.
That's right.
So we'll see you at the car show.
Pinstriping.
Well, I had 105,000 miles on it, and I beat the head of the kids out with it every day. Like
150 horsepower.
For what it was, it needed timing.
That's cool.
Look at the paint on this one. Kind of like that.
Yeah.
I know, I'm going to get kind of sick of it. That's where I'm at by the time our car show happens. Oh, I don't think that's a...
Look at the ghost flames. That was a nice little surprise. I like that.
This one has it too.
Oh, sure enough. That one though, it looks like a melted popsicle. That's what that reminds me of. Night Rider.
Look at this.
55 Mercury.
Persimmon and Arctic White.
I was gonna say that is an interesting color.
That is a beautiful color.
That thing like that
At the drive-thru.
the drive-through, yeah. Or drive-in or whatever. That's cool.
This is the only Persimmons 1955 Mercury convertible registered in the U.S. Oh, I'm sure.
51 horsepower. one's got to be as
Big as
probably,
the one in Moose Lake.
McGregor.
Oh, McGregor.
Yeah. Is that a Chevelle or a Malibu?
Yeah, this is ideal. Yeah.
396.
Power steering, racket pinion foot, and nothing too front end. Got coilovers on the front.
We got a lot of cars to look at. Goes all the way over there.
I don't know if it's today. I like this.
See, I know you
I
would
just got
once you
squirreled.
looked at it.
I just got squirreled by
I'm like, you haven't seen it yet because you would.
I got squirreled by a blue pump side. Let's see. The older later 70s, they call dent sides. And these, because it's got, I think it's bump side they call it.
Nate's a Ford guy, in case you can't tell. Oh, I love that interior.
Call it a home. So I want to hear that song.
Looks like there's a few people out here. But this guy, we were just talking about him this morning because we have some sumac syrup and we were having pancakes this morning. And yeah, we were just talking about him this morning.
Oh, man.
Gotta be good. It's made out of a bronze.
All right.